Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Physics by Arun Video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question in physics from the chapter Kinetic Theory of Gases. The question is, three vessels of equal capacity, it means what? They have equal volume, have gases at the same temperature. The first vessel contains helium, which is a monatomic gas. The second contains fluorine, which is a diatomic gas. And the third one contains sulfur hexafluoride, of course a polyatomic molecule. The correct statement among the following is what? This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2022. The four options. Number one is all vessels contains unequal number of respective molecules. The root means, number two, the root mean square speed of molecules is the same in all three cases. The root mean square speed of helium is the largest. RMS value for helium is the largest, and RMS value of sulfur hexafluoride is the largest. Which one is right? You have to find. Okay, that's all. How to solve this problem, sir? So we are given four options. According to Avogadro's law, at constant temperature and pressure, equal volumes of all gases contain the same number of molecules. But what is your option A? They have unequal number of molecules. So option A is wrong. Option 1 is wrong. Okay. Then the formula for root mean square speed is Vrms is equal to square root of 3 kT divided by m. K is the Boltzmann constant, T is the temperature, and m is the mass of the molecule. It means what? Vrms, the root mean square speed of any molecule, is inversely proportional to the mass of the molecule. It means if the molecule is lesser, Vrms, the RMS speed will be greater. Among the three gases, helium is a monatomic gas. Is it not? So it has the least mass. It has lesser mass. It means what? It has greater RMS value. So the root mean square speed of helium is the largest according to this equation. So option 3 is the right answer. Okay? It's a very good question. It is simple to answer. Anyway, we practice such questions to attend the NEET examinations in a healthy way. Okay, that's all. So we'll see one more question from the chapter Kinetic Theory of Gases in our next video. Okay, that's all. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.